Hey there! Are you ready to blast off on an exciting adventure to the final frontier? Well, buckle up because today we are going to talk about a wild idea that might just change the way we explore space forever. Building a space elevator on Earth. Imagine an elevator so tall it could reach all the way to outer space. It might sound crazy, but scientists have been dreaming about this idea for over a century. So, what do you think? What if we could build a space elevator on Earth? A normal elevator works by using a motor to move a car up and down a shaft. The car is attached to a cable, usually made of steel, which is connected to the motor through a pulley system. However, building an elevator that can transport people and cargo from Earth's surface into space requires a much stronger and lighter cable than what is currently available. Like really strong. The cable would need to be able to support the weight of the elevator car and all the people and cargo inside it. That means it would have to be made of a super strong material like carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes are incredibly strong and lightweight. They are the perfect material for building a space elevator cable. But why though? Well, carbon nanotubes are made up of carbon atoms arranged in a long, thin tube-like structure. They are incredibly strong, much stronger than steel, like 100 times stronger than steel. And despite being so strong, they are also incredibly lightweight, which is important for an elevator cable that needs to stretch all the way to space. But building the cable is only the first step. With the cable in place, we would need to build a massive platform at the base of the elevator to anchor it securely to the Earth's surface. The platform, called an anchor station, would need to be built to withstand the tremendous forces exerted by the elevator cable as it stretches towards space. From there, workers would begin to construct the elevator car and the rest of the structure that would support it on its journey to space. The elevator car would need to be built to withstand the extreme conditions of space travel, including radiation and temperature fluctuations, because space has extreme conditions. It would also need to be spacious enough to carry people and cargo, and it would need to be powered by a reliable source of energy. Since a space elevator would stretch from the surface of the Earth to geostationary orbit around 36,000 kilometers above the planet. So, how would the elevator work? Well, the car would travel up and down the cable using a system of pulleys and counterweights. The counterweights would help balance the weight of the elevator car so that it wouldn't put too much stress on the cable as it climbed. And the pulleys would allow the car to move smoothly up and down the cable. It would take several days to travel from Earth's surface to outer space, but once you get there, you would be able to launch spaceships and explore the cosmos like never before. The space elevator would be more efficient and cost-effective way to launch payloads into space than traditional rockets, which are expensive and have a limited payload capacity. But remember, building a space elevator on Earth would be a massive undertaking, and it would take decades of research, development, and engineering to make it a reality. But the potential benefits could be enormous, not just for space exploration, but also for Earth itself. For example, the space elevator could provide a platform for scientific research, allowing scientists to study the Earth's atmosphere, climate, and other natural systems from a unique vantage point in space. It could also help us monitor and respond to natural disasters like hurricanes and earthquakes more quickly and effectively, And the space elevator could help us reduce our reliance on fossil fuels by providing a more efficient and sustainable way to transport people and goods around the world. Imagine a world where you could travel from one side of the planet to the other in just a few hours without having to worry about traffic or emissions. So, while building a space elevator on Earth might still be a dream for now, it's a dream that's worth exploring. Who knows what incredible discoveries and innovations we might unlock if we can make it a reality. So, my friends, keep dreaming big, and who knows, one day you might just ride a space elevator all the way to the stars.